Hey there, gadget enthusiasts! Get ready to be blown away as we dive into the top 17 best cool gadgets on Aliexpress. From futuristic tech to handy everyday tools. This list is packed with mind-blowing inventions you won't believe exist. All the links of the gadgets are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest gadgets experience. So, let's get started. Are you tired of struggling to cut and scoop your favorite fruits? Introducing the 4-in-1 Cutter Scoop, the perfect solution for all your fruit cutting needs. This multifunctional fruit scoop set includes melon digging balls, a shaped fruit cutting knife, a 2-dimensional scoop for slicing fruit and separating fruit pulp. It's the necessary kitchen tool for any fruit lover. The fruit knife has a unique design that allows these 4 separate tools to stack together as one set, making it easy to store and keep your kitchen tidy. You'll never have to worry about losing any of them again. This cutter can be applied to make balls of various fruits, such as watermelon, melon, pitaya, kiwi, and more. You can use the fruit carving tools to create the fruit salad you love and enjoy the fun it will bring. So why struggle with cutting and scooping your favorite fruits when the 4-in-1 melon cutter scoop makes it effortless? Multifunctional Dice and Vegetable Artifact is a versatile all-in-one kitchen tool that is perfect for preparing salads, salsa, onions, garlic, and more. Its space-saving design eliminates the need for bulky equipment in small kitchens, while its catch tray minimizes messes. The clear body lets you monitor progress as you cut up carrots, cucumbers, squash, zucchini, and spices like ginger. Because it requires no electricity, it can be used anywhere. You don't need a cutting board or a knife. With its 7 interchangeable blades, you can cut your vegetables the way you want. 10-in-1 design. It is very easy to clean because the product can be easily disassembled and mounted. You won't spend a lot of time chopping your vegetables. With this cutter, you will be chopping all your vegetables in a few minutes. Are you tired of dealing with a mess caused by water splashes and coffee spills? Introducing the Kitchen Cower Super-Absorbent Mat. This amazing product is designed to absorb water splashes and coffee spills, keeping your countertops clean and tidy. The kitchen countertop dish drying mat is not only durable and soft, but also foldable for easy storage. It's the perfect size to fit any kitchen countertop and can be easily cleaned when needed. Plus, it's highly absorbent, making it perfect for draining water from washable tableware, preventing mildew and bacteria buildup while ensuring that everything stays clean and hygienic. But this mat isn't just limited to kitchens. You can also use it in table and bathrooms as a coffee pad or a drying pad for your cups and tableware. Say goodbye to messy countertops and hello to the Kitchen Cower Super-Absorbent Mat. Summer is here, and it's time to fire up your grills and get cooking. But have you ever struggled with oiling your food? Whether it's too much oil or uneven distribution, it can be frustrating and messy. Introducing the BBQ Cooking Oil Sprayer. This amazing product allows you to spray an even mist of oil on all sides of your food, making cooking easier and more convenient than ever before. The transparent body of the bottle also lets you see how much oil is left, so you never run out mid-cooking. The BBQ Cooking Oil Sprayer is small and lightweight, taking up minimal space in your kitchen. It's made of strong and tough materials, ensuring that it won't easily break or crack. Not just for barbecue. This oil dispenser is perfect for cooking, roasting, baking, and more. Its versatility makes it a must-have in any kitchen. Say goodbye to messy and uneven oiling, and hello to the convenience of the BBQ Cooking Oil Sprayer. Are you tired of worrying about cutting your fingers while chopping vegetables or carving meat? Look no further than the stainless steel kitchen knife finger guard. This innovative tool provides unbeatable finger protection while cutting and slicing. The open loop design fits most fingers and is suitable for left or right-hand use. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this finger protector is strong enough to absorb any razor-sharp knife. And with its lightweight design, you won't even feel it on your fingers during long periods of use. The finger shield size can be easily adjusted with the open loop design, and the finger ring is adjustable to fit most fingers comfortably. Introducing the innovative 360-degree food container and dispenser. The perfect solution for storing and dispensing seeds, nuts, or raw food with ease and convenience. This unique container features a sleek and modern design with a clear, airtight lid that keeps your food fresh and dry while allowing you to see exactly what's inside. With its 360-degree rotating base, This food container and dispenser makes it easy to access your food from any angle. Simply turn the container to dispense the perfect amount of seeds, nuts, or raw food every time. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free materials, this food container and dispenser is built to last and designed to make your life easier. Order now and enjoy the convenience and efficiency of this innovative food storage solution today. Are you tired of a cluttered bathroom counter? Do you want an easy way to store and organize all your dental products? Meet the ECOCO wall mount toothbrush holder. It has 5 benefits to make your life easier. First, it helps you keep everything in one place with different sections for different things. Second, there are 2 tubes for toothpaste, so you can use different kinds for day and night. Third, there are 4 cups included, which is handy if more than one person uses it. Fourth, it has 5 hooks for hanging up the toothbrushes, so everyone has their own spot. Lastly, it's strong enough to hold everything securely. And it's easy to put up without nails or tools, and you can remove it easily too. It comes in 3 colors, so you can pick the one that suits your bathroom best. Meet the anti-gravity water drop humidifier, a unique device that can help you feel comfortable and hydrated. This humidifier is designed to defy gravity and provide moisture to your personal space. Using ultrasonic technology, this humidifier creates a gentle mist to keep your personal space comfortably moist. It's designed with convenience in mind and offers a new and interesting experience. With 2 humidification modes, you can choose between day and night settings for personalized comfort. It has a 4 automatic shutoff feature, so you don't have to worry about wasting electricity. This humidifier also has heating protection, ensuring a safe and enjoyable humidification experience. And with 2 easy ways to add water, you can customize your experience even further. The tank is large, so your humidifier stays moist and clean. Would you like to protect your phone with a unique case that looks like an astronaut? 3D The astronaut stand cases come in 6 different colors to choose from and are made from high-quality soft material that is durable, washable, lightweight, and water-resistant. It's perfect for everyday use because it protects your phone's camera and allows easy access to buttons and charging ports. Plus, it comes with a cool astronaut figurine that doubles as a phone stand. Get yours today and take your phone to the stars. Cooking can be a hassle, especially when you have to stand over the stove and stir frequently. But what if we told you there's a way to make cooking effortless? Introducing Automatic Stir Kitchen Tools, the perfect solution for anyone who wants to save time and energy in the kitchen. This automatic pan stirrer is incredibly easy to use. Simply click on the top button, and the blender will automatically stir custards, sauces, and soups into the pan. The stirrer rotates back and forth to mimic natural stirring action, ensuring that all the ingredients are turned and mixed in the pan. This automatic pan stirrer has a cordless battery operation, so you can use it anywhere in the kitchen without worrying about tangled cords. If you want to simplify your cooking and make the most of your time, then the Automatic Stir Kitchen Tools is a must-have for you. Babies have tiny little nails that can grow quickly and become sharp. This can be dangerous for them as they may accidentally scratch themselves while sleeping or playing. You might be wondering how you can keep their nails trimmed without hurting them. Introducing the Dreamy Baby Nail Trimmer, the perfect solution for parents worried about their baby's nail care. With the Dreamy Baby Nail Trimmer, you can trim your baby's nails safely and easily, right from the comfort of your home. This product is a battery-powered nail file kit that comes with 6 different sanding buffing pads, 3 for children and 3 for adults. It helps sand, clip, and polish fingernails and toenails in seconds using safe, effective sandpaper that's soft on cuticles and nail beds. Using the Dreamy Baby Nail Trimmer is simple. Attach your chosen nail file, turn it on, and use the LED front light to softly grind away excess nail length. And thanks to the Whisper Quiet motor, you never have to worry about loud noises waking sleeping babies. Get your Dreamy Baby Nail Trimmer today and ensure your baby's safety while keeping their little fingers and toes looking neat and tidy. Are you tired of waiting hours for your food to defrost? Introducing the Fast Defrosting Tray, the safest way to defrost your food quickly and naturally. Unlike hot water or a microwave, the tray maintains the original taste and nutrition of your food, defrosting it in minutes, even when frozen solid. The natural thaw of the tray prevents the breeding of bacteria, ensuring that your food stays safe and healthy. And when compared to thawing in hot water, which can lead to nutrient loss, or thawing in the microwave, which destroys taste, the tray is the clear choice for maintaining the quality of your food. Are you getting bored with your air fryer meals? Check out the 8-piece air fryer accessories set. With this set, you can bake cakes, cook pizzas, and even make skewers. First, we have the clip and tong for safely lifting hot plates without burning your hands. There's the cake barrel. Perfect for baking cakes, bread, and quiches in a quick and healthy way. Maximize your cooking space with the metal holder. It lets you cook 2 layers of food at once. The non-slip deep dish baking tray is perfect for making pancakes, eggs, potatoes, quesadillas, or even giant cookies. Finally, the silicone mat gives you a safe surface to put your hot accessories on. Introducing our kitchen multifunctional salad utensils vegetable chopper, the perfect solution for quick and easy vegetable preparation. This manual shredder is ideal for chopping carrots, potatoes, and other vegetables, making it a must-have kitchen tool for any home cook. The chopper's durable construction is made to last, ensuring that you can continue to use it for years to come. Its sharp blades make chopping a breeze, while its ergonomic design ensures complete comfort and safety during use. Order yours today and experience the joy of hassle-free salad preparation. Tired of using big electric ice crushers or finding it hard to crush ice with a blender? We've got the perfect solution for you, the manual ice crusher. This handheld ice crush is made of safe materials that won't harm your body. It doesn't need electricity, so it's easy and safe to use anywhere. Just put the ice cubes inside and turn the crank. The sharp blades will crush the ice easily, giving you perfectly crushed ice every time. And guess what? You also get measuring cups that come with a manual ice crusher. They are really handy for making your favorite drinks or snacks. Get yours today and enjoy a refreshing and delicious treat anytime, anywhere. Summer is here, and we all know how hot it can get, especially when you're out in the sun. Introducing the mini handheld portable water spray fan. This little device packs a big punch when it comes to keeping you cool. The mini handheld fan is perfect for any occasion. Whether you're out on the beach, at a resort, or just outdoors, this fan will keep you feeling comfortable and refreshed. It's designed with a flat bottom, which makes it easy to place on any surface. You can use it while sitting at your desk or even while lounging by the pool. It's ultra-portable, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. Ideal for summer outdoor activities like the beach, hiking, camping, and more. Get yourself the mini handheld portable water spray fan and stay cool and comfortable no matter where you are. When you're camping, it's important to have the right gear. That's why we want to introduce you to the portable outdoor camping rechargeable fan. This fan is made for camping and can be hung up or put on a stand. It's perfect for different places. The fan has a strong battery that can last for hours without needing to recharge. You can use it all night long and not worry about it running out of power. It also has a light you can use at night, which is helpful when you need to see things in the dark. And during the day, the fan has 3 speeds you can choose from. It will turn off automatically after a set amount of time to save power. If you need it, you can use the fan to charge your phone in an emergency. It's a fan that can do 3 things. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.